In the small town of Cloverdale, there was a school called Silver Birch Academy. The students that attended this school were all incredibly smart and talented. It was a school for young monster hunters. The students at Silver Birch Academy were all born with a special gift, the ability to see and fight against the monsters that lurked in the shadows. There were werewolves, vampires, goblins and all kinds of other creatures that could only be seen by those with the gift. At Silver Birch Academy, the students were trained to harness their gifts and use them to fight the monsters that threatened the town. There was a group of friends, Leo, Arya and Kai, who were the top monster hunters in the school. Leo was an expert in weapons, Arya was a master of stealth, and Kai had the ability to control the elements. However, not everyone at Silver Birch Academy was friendly. There was a group of rich kids who looked down on the monster hunters and thought that they were better than everyone else. They had no idea that the students at the school were the ones who protected them from the monsters that lurked in the shadows. One day, a powerful monster arrived in Cloverdale. It was a giant dragon that breathed fire and caused chaos everywhere it went. The teachers and the students were frightened, but Leo, Arya, Kai, and some of the other monster hunters were determined to save their town. They knew that they had to use all their skills to defeat the dragon. The rich kids at Silver Birch Academy saw the destruction caused by the dragon and realized that they had been wrong about the monster hunters. They knew that they had to help in any way they could. Together, the monster hunters and the rich kids worked to defeat the dragon. They used their skills and their bravery to weaken the dragon and finally managed to kill it. After the battle, the rich kids apologized to the monster hunters for the way they had treated them. They realized that they had been wrong to judge them based on their backgrounds, and they learned to appreciate their bravery and dedication. In the end, Leo, Arya, Kai, and the other monster hunters forgave the rich kids and welcomed them into their group. They knew that they could achieve great things together, and that the only way to protect Cloverdale was by working as a team. From that day forward, the students at Silver Birch Academy continued to learn and grow, becoming better monster hunters and forming stronger bonds of friendship. They continued to protect their town from the monsters that threatened it, and they knew that they had each other's backs no matter what challenges lay ahead.